What's good? What's good? What's good? So to remove anything off your credit report, you got to understand the information on your credit report. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down step by step on how to remove anything off your credit report by just leveraging the information on your credit report to get anything. So I'm gonna give you the game, so you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. Welcome back to the #1 credit educational channel. Hey, my name is Dave, where I show you how to remove negative items off your credit report, how to build a relationship with those banks, and how to get to that money. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down how to read a credit report. Then I'm gonna show you how to use that information as leverage to get any account removed that is negative for your credit report. Then I'm gonna show you how to basically send a letter off without even leaving your house. So you already know what time it is. I'm about to drop down fire. So right now I pulled up an account that's negative on somebody's credit report, right? I'm gonna show you how to use this information as leverage to get this account deleted. So Victoria's Secret is a charge-off account, and what you want to do is go line item by line item by line item to get this removed. You want to use the information as leverage to get things removed. You don't ever want to dispute that it's not mine. You always, only time you dispute that's not yours is when it's actually not yours. But if you know the account is yours, you want to put the ownership on the credit bureaus and not on yourself. So I'm gonna show you how to use the information on this actual account as leverage to get it deleted. So first thing you want to do is look at the account number. You want to make sure TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, everything is the same. Then you want to go to the account type. Then you want to go to the account type detail. Then you want to go to the account status. Then you want to go to the monthly payment. Then you want to go to date open. 9 times out of 10, the date open is always is not always correct. So you want to go look at TransUnion, Experian, Equifax. Make sure everything is the same, because according to the law, according to the FCRA, everything has to be 100% accurate on a credit report. So if it's not accurate, then you can basically use that as leverage to get it deleted. So then you want to go to the number of months, high credit, then credit limit. As you can see, the credit limit is different, right? Equifax is showing an inaccurate. It's showing it inaccurate according to Experian TransUnion. Experian TransUnion showing 250. Equifax shows 0. So basically circle it or highlight it, whatever you got to do. Then you want to go to past due. Same thing. Payment status. You want to check, make sure everything's the same. Last reporting date. This 9 times out of 10 is always wrong. So this one says 7/28/2018. This one says 12/02/2017. And Equifax says 07/01/2018. And then you want to do the same thing, date last active. You want to use the same information to get things removed off your credit report, right? Date last active, different on Experian, different on Equifax. Date of last payment, different on TransUnion. The same on Experian, different on Equifax, right? You want to use that as leverage to get things removed. So look at the payment history, right? TransUnion ain't showing nothing. Experian showing difference between Equifax and Experian. So you can circle that and use that as leverage. Go month by month to see what's not reported accurately. This is how you use the information to get things removed off your credit report. I'm about to hop on another account. So let's look at this student loan right here. Same thing with the student loan. You want to go line item by line item, right? So let's pull this up. Account number, the same, right? Account type, the same. Account type detail, the same, right? Account status, derogatory monthly payment is the same. Date open, not the same. TransUnion shows something different between Experian and Equifax. Balance, the same. Number of months, the same. High credit, the same. Credit limit, the same. Past due, the same, right? Payment status. Collection charge-off, late 20 days, different. Last reported, different. One says 2/09/2020. Experian TransUnion, Equifax shows something different. Date last active is different, right? So, and then you want to look at the months. So August is different. September, October, November, December, January, February, right? You can use all of this as leverage and get things removed off your credit report. Get this account deleted off your credit report. You don't have to dispute everything, but you can dispute the date open, and then the next month, if they don't come off, you can do the last reported. Then you can do the last date last active, and then you can do month 1, month 2, month 3. and then you can basically use that as leverage, use that information and get the account deleted. Then this is how you basically get things removed off your credit report, step by step by step by step. And this is how you leverage the information to get it deleted. You just don't want to ever dispute it's not mine. You want to use the information on the credit report, type of a letter, show that the account is not reporting inaccurately, show that the account is not reporting accurately, and then use that as leverage to get it deleted. Don't ever dispute not mine unless it's really not yours. So right now I got Google pulled up, and I'm gonna show you where you can actually go to basically send these letters off, so you have no excuses. Say you gotta wait in line and do all that at the post office. So I'm gonna show you where you can actually go to send these letters off. And so you don't have to leave the comfort of your home. You can do everything from home. You can upload everything you need to upload, or you can go to the post office, right? It's up to you. It's a win-win situation. Either you go to the post office or you do it from your home. So there's no excuses now. You can do everything. So certified mail online, and it is, I think I passed it. Online certified mail, right? And this is what you actually use to get to send a letter off, and you'll be able to track it, and then you'll be able to see that the credit bureaus received it, and you can make sure that they actually received it. So you can use this, keep the tracking number, and you can use this as leverage to, if like anytime you have to follow up with CFPB, you can basically show that, you know, you have everything certified, you have a copy of your letter, and you can send everything to the CFPB. So now you just want to be tracking, and you want to make sure you have all the documents that you send to the actual credit bureaus. So anytime you have to dispute with the CFPB to show that the credit bureaus are not, you know, doing what they're supposed to do, then you could basically use that as leverage to get things removed as well. So there's no more excuses now, no more excuses. I'm showing you step by step by step on how to basically get things removed. There's no more excuses of saying, yo, I have to go wait in line, I can't do it at home. None of that, no more. I'm showing you how to do it so you can basically get to your house, get to that car, get to wherever you want in life, right? Your goals are your goals, but I want to give you the game. A lot of people out here just not giving you the right information, but I want to show you how you can actually do it. And just all you got to do is just put in the work. Month after month after month, every 30 to 45 days, basically send a letter in and get these things removed off your credit report, and then open up some accounts. I have a link right here, and basically you can get some accounts, some good reporting accounts on your credit report, and start building your credit and getting these things deleted off your credit report, and just basically get into that ultimate score you want, a 700 plus, so you can get that house, that car, that whatever you want, personal business funding is whatever you want. So I'm just here to give you the game and give you the information so you can basically implement it and get these things removed. So I hope that helps you out. If you need more information on different type of accounts, just watch this video right here.